Truck Thump by Satu Uronen and Malva Envall. In this presentation, we are going to tell you about our research, which is going to be implemented on Facebook Messenger group called Truck Thump. The aim of the group is to follow different medias and how they inform about President Trump and his actions about politics. The members of the group are teachers or former teachers of the Mercuria Business College. Goal of the study. The goal of the study is to research the participants' feelings about the news and reliability of the news concerning Donald Trump. We also research the reliability of the news concerning Donald Trump. Research questions. We have two main research questions. The first one is how do the members react on different news? And the second one is what kind of factors made the participants feel that the news was reliable? We have also a few sub-questions, and they are what other news sources the members followed, what kind of news aroused the strongest emotions, and what kind of factors made the news provocative in target group's opinion. Main concepts are online group, Donald Trump, and critical media literature. Used methods. We are observing the members of the group for 2 weeks. The data collection will be observation of the conversations on the group and online survey. We use SurveyMonkey and questionnaire for open questions. From the survey, we will get quantitative data, but we will also use open questions. From the observation and the survey's open questions, we will get qualitative data. Here's a link to our questionnaire in SurveyMonkey, and here are a few examples of the questions. We use Likert scale, 5-step scale, for example, and then we use different kind of questions where you can choose several answers. We also use open questions. Ethical issues. Our ethical issues are freedom for different kind of opinions and freedom to support different political ideologies. The results will be presented anonymously. Thank you.